Okay, guys, as you can tell by my attire, I was not ready to plan to film today, but I'm doing it really quick. And I had Tammy I saw this yesterday on TikTok. Tammy picked up some things for me to do it really quick. It's like, there's got to be like, literally like 40 people online that have tried this recipe, different variations, different mixes, different everything. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. So come on in close. It is called Keto Cheesecake Fluff. It's getting a little crazy because when something's kind of hot and awesome and super easy and everybody finds out about it, things are hard to come by. So like this Cool Whip's hard to find. They've been sold out of all the Walmarts. I had to look around at all the Kroger's and Publix to get a Cool Whip zero sugar. All right, this is hard to find. This is the cheesecake sugar-free. It's important you get the sugar-free one. Jello pudding. This is the chocolate fudge Jello pudding. So you got cheesecake and chocolate fudge. These are like sold out everywhere. This is the biggest one that everybody's having trouble getting, okay? But I want to talk to you about something else. So we're going to use pudding and whipped cream, which I've done my whole life. I've mixed them together to take care of my sweet tooth. Sugar-free of both, so you're good to go. But I want to talk about this company. I want to talk about this right now. I just found these. I've known about these for a while, but these are sugar-free chocolate chips, and these are Unicorn Swirl. This company is blowing up. Everybody uses this. Everybody melts these lilies. Everybody puts them in their cookies and their breads, and they're sugar-free. This white chocolate style, stevia sweetened. All right, and they look like unicorns. This would be really cute for a little girl's birthday, her cupcakes or her cake. These are unicorn kind of chocolate chips, all right? But I want to show you how much they're blowing up. These are milk chocolate style. This one right here is white chocolate style. This one here is butterscotch flavor. This one here is, I bought them all so I could literally just show you. This is chocolate salted caramel. All right? And this one is mint flavored, chocolate mint. So all of these are blowing up. I'm going to be using today, I'm using probably this one, the milk chocolate style ones. Okay, guys, so I took the Jello sugar-free cheesecake and the chocolate fudge, and I put half of each packet. Now, it's normally, if you're just doing the chocolate and not the cheesecake, do the whole packet. But since I got two here, I'm doing half this packet mixed together, okay? Does that make sense? Nobody ever tells you how long to leave the Cool Whip out for. So I don't recommend zapping this in the microwave. Let it stay at room temperature. When you can get the fork to the bottom easily, then get your powder, coat your powder on it, and get it mixed in, okay? The goal is to wait till this gets soft. All right, let's see how soft it is. It's been a few minutes. Oh, it's good. It's good. All right, we're gonna take this really easy, but take your pudding powder, put it on top. You can dump it all on top. That's fine. There you go. And slowly work it in so that you don't dump powder everywhere. All right, guys, it looks something like that. It's got chocolate chips in it. Put as many chips you want in there. Mix it up. It's got the cheesecake powder in there. It's got the chocolate fudge powder in here. Go ahead and pop that back in the freezer for about 3 hours, okay? Nope, it's not too hard. Kind of soft, a little bit. Let's take a little bit. There we go. All right, here we go. It's considered keto chocolate cheesecake fluff. That's what we're calling this. Here we go. Lots of chocolate chips. Almost tastes like ice cream. And I can have this too. Anyway, rock this. You want to take care of a sweet tooth? This is it. Alright? It's a healthy version of a nice dessert. It's beautiful. Crunchy with chocolate chips in there. Switch out chocolate chips. You can mix and match flavors. You can do, excuse me. So good. You can do so many different combinations with the chocolate chips and the puddings. You can mix a whole bunch together, all right? I love you guys. Try this out. Let me know what you think, all right? Take care. Bye-bye.